The Nobel Prize in Chemistry is awarded annually by the Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences to scientists in the various fields of chemistry. It is one of the 5 Nobel Prizes established by the will of Alfred Nobel in 1895. Awarded for outstanding contributions in chemistry, physics, literature, peace, and physiology or medicine. This award is administered by the Nobel Foundation and awarded by the Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences on proposal of the Nobel Committee for Chemistry, which consists of 5 members elected by the Academy. The award is presented in Stockholm at an annual ceremony on the 10th of December, the anniversary of Nobel's death. The first Nobel Prize in Chemistry was awarded in 1901 to Jacobus Henricus van 't Hoff of the Netherlands for his discovery of the laws of chemical dynamics and osmotic pressure in solutions. From 1901 to 2021, the award has been bestowed on a total of 188 individuals. The 2021 Nobel Prize in Chemistry was awarded to Benjamin List and David Macmillan for the development of asymmetric organocatalysis. Only 7 women have received the prize, including Marie Curie, her daughter Irene Joliot-Curie, Dorothy Crowfoot Hodgkin, Emmanuel Charpentier and Jennifer Doudna. Alfred Nobel stipulated in his last will and testament that his money be used to create a series of prizes for those who confer the greatest benefit on mankind in physics, chemistry, peace, physiology or medicine, and literature. Though Nobel wrote several wills during his lifetime, the last was written a little over a year before he died and signed at the Swedish-Norwegian Club in Paris on the 27th of November 1895. Nobel bequeathed 94% of his total assets, 31 million Swedish krona, to establish and endow the 5 Nobel Prizes. Due to the level of skepticism surrounding the will, it was not until the 26th of April 1897 that it was approved by the Storting. The executors of his will were Ragnar Solman and Rudolf Liljequist, who formed the Nobel Foundation to take care of Nobel's fortune and organize the prizes. The members of the Norwegian Nobel Committee that were to award the Peace Prize were appointed. Shortly after the will was approved, the prize awarding organizations followed. The Karolinska Institute on the 7th of June, the Swedish Academy on the 9th of June, and the Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences on the 11th of June. The Nobel Foundation then reached an agreement on guidelines for how the Nobel Prize should be awarded. In 1900, the Nobel Foundation's newly created statutes were promulgated by King Oscar II. According to Nobel's will, the Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences were to award the prize in chemistry. The committee and institutions serving as the selection board for the prize typically announced the names of the laureates in October. The prize is then awarded at formal ceremonies held annually on the 10th of December, the anniversary of Alfred Nobel's death. Quote, "The highlight of the Nobel Prize award ceremony in Stockholm is when each Nobel laureate steps forward to receive the prize from the hands of His Majesty the King of Sweden. The Nobel laureate receives 3 things: a diploma, a medal and a document confirming the prize amount. Later the Nobel banquet is held in Stockholm City Hall. A maximum of 3 laureates and 2 different works may be selected. The award can be given to a maximum of 3 recipients per year. It consists of a gold medal, a diploma, and a cash grant. The Nobel laureates in chemistry are selected by a committee that consists of 5 members elected by the Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences. In its first stage, several thousand people are asked to nominate candidates. These names are scrutinized and discussed by experts until only the laureates remain. This slow and thorough process is arguably what gives the prize its importance. Forms, which amount to a personal and exclusive invitation, are sent to about 3,000 selected individuals to invite them to submit nominations. The names of the nominees are never publicly announced, and neither are they told that they have been considered for the prize. Nomination records are sealed for 50 years. In practice, some nominees do become known. It is also common for publicists to make such a claim, founded or not. The nominations are screened by committee, and a list is produced of approximately 200 preliminary candidates. This list is forwarded to selected experts in the field. They remove all but approximately 15 names. The committee submits a report with recommendations to the appropriate institution. While posthumous nominations are not permitted, awards can occur if the individual died in the months between the nomination and the decision of the prize committee. The award in chemistry requires the significance of achievements being recognized as tested by time. In practice, it means that the lag between the discovery and the award is typically on the order of 20 years and can be much longer. As a downside of this approach, not all key